All right, everybody, welcome back. Today, we're going deep on something pretty fascinating.
Yeah, this should be interesting.
Microsoft just bought a ton of solar power.
A ton.
389 megawatts. Like, to put that in perspective,
Yeah.
enough to power a small city.
Easy.
But get this, it's all tied to their big AI plans.
Right.
So how does renewable energy and this whole cutting-edge tech world, how do they fit together?
Well, think about it. AI, the kind Microsoft's working on,
Yeah.
super energy intensive. Like, those athletes that
Yeah.
just drink water constantly to keep going.
Always got to stay hydrated.
Exactly. And that's where these solar projects come in.
Okay, so these solar farms,
Yeah.
3 different spots, 2 in Illinois,
Okay.
1 in Texas,
Gotcha.
powering their stuff nearby.
Okay.
But they're also making these things called renewable energy credits.
Oh, yeah.
Break that down for us. What are those? Why do they matter?
So renewable energy credits, they're basically like a way to track and trade renewable energy, right? Every megawatt hour of solar power, you get a credit.
Huh.
Microsoft can then use these credits to offset emissions from other places they work, even where they don't have solar farms.
So even if they're not directly using solar everywhere,
Yeah,
they can still sort of
exactly.
and make their energy greener?
It makes their whole energy portfolio greener. Yeah.
Gotcha. So the credits give them flexibility,
Mm-hmm.
but still, 389 megawatts.
Mhm.
I mean, compared to what AI needs,
Yeah, you'd think.
is it really enough to actually make a difference?
So here's where it gets kind of cool. Microsoft already has 20 gigawatts of renewable energy capacity.
Wow.
That's more than some small countries use total.
Seriously.
This new purchase adds like 2% to that.
Okay.
So it's not a complete,
Right.
overnight change.
Right.
But it's a step. And they're moving fast.
Because solar farms, you can build those a lot quicker than a regular power plant, right?
Way faster.
Yeah.
And what's really interesting is that developers are actually building these solar projects in phases now. So they can start giving power to data centers even faster.
So it's like they're making
Well,
a custom
yeah.
energy pipeline going right where they need it.
Exactly.
So speed, scale, meeting that demand. Because obviously AI is going to keep growing.
For sure.
But of course, there's the whole environmental side too. How does this fit into Microsoft's sustainability goals?
So they've said they want to be carbon negative by 2030,
Ambitious.
which is huge. It means they're taking more carbon out of the atmosphere than they put in.
To listen to the full podcast episode, please follow the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.